everybody, I just wanted to make a short video on what materials I've used to create the next live fashion illustration workshop that I'm going to be having very soon. And the Schiaparelli Haute Couture show just came out today, so I just saw it a few hours ago, so I created this illustration from one of their looks. Very beautiful. So we will be doing this in the next workshop, and the materials that I've used are quite minimal this time. I tried to make her skin tone a little bit darker just to play around with this Pro marker here. So this is the dry media. This is called Light Pecan, and it's Pro marker Winsor & Newton. So I did that skin tone here, you can see that, and the see-through area skin tone there. And for pencils, you would need a pink, any pink will do. I'm using Faber and Castell's medium flesh, Polychromos, and then a buttery yellow. This is called Strogelb cream. So any type of yellow, and then I have a gray. This one's called warm gray, and then a black pencil here, and then a dark brown. I think this dark umber pencil, all from Faber and Castell. And I have for wet media my Carand'AChe Gouache set, but you can use watercolor or any type of gouache that you want to. Mostly I'm just using black here, and then there's some areas that need a little bit of white, so I'm using this Carand'AChe Gouache that comes with this set. Any type of gouache, you want to have it so you can paint over this area here, and I mixed it with a little bit of ochre right there, and of course sharpener, eraser. Don't forget your brushes. I usually tend to always have 3 types of brushes: small, medium, and large, just for different areas. So yeah, that's a very simple one. Again, you can substitute any of this. For this paper as well, I'm using graduate Canson here. So yeah, but feel free to substitute whatever you want, whatever you have. You don't need to go and buy anything. Looking forward to having you join me for the session.